Here's a certified 2017 BMW X3. Whether your instincts lead you to unpaved roads or just down the to-do list, this X3 delivers on what you need. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, push button start, front heated bucket seats, intercooled turbo i6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend reports, with newfound suppleness to its suspension setup, greater agility, stronger performance, reduced thirst, and expanded roominess, the X3 feels much more like something conceived in Munich should. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Welcome to Daniel's BMW at 4600 Crackersport Road in Allentown, Pennsylvania.